Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: subscription, resource group, and an automation account. Once done, open the automation account and click Create Runbook. Pick the runbook type, PowerShell or Python, based on your scripts. Choose a meaningful name and runtime version. Make sure you assign a managed identity or service principal now so credentials aren't added later. This prevents secrets in code. Save early and publish a draft. You're in motion. The next step is authoring and testing the logic. Now you author the runbook logic. You can write directly in the InPortal editor or import from source control. Once imported, update module dependencies in the automation account. Run debug to step through execution, supply test parameters, and inspect output streams and progress records. If using managed identity, request tokens at runtime rather than storing secrets. Make iterative changes and retest until outputs match expectations. Once stable, create a draft version and prepare to publish the runbook when tests are green, then attach a schedule or webhook trigger depending on your workflow. Make sure you configure diagnostics to send job output and errors to log analytics for visibility. Monitor job history and set alerts on failures. If a job fails, check identity permissions first. Often missing role assignments cause failures. Also verify module versions and runtime compatibility. If needed, rerun debug with verbose logging. Finally, iterate on fixes, republish, and confirm scheduled jobs run successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.